know it's summer, but woo, this is ridiculous. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, well then my name is April. I do a lot of cooking, I do some skincare reviews, and just an overall lifestyle channel. And I've been really meaning to bring a lot more lifestyle content to my channel, but I can't believe that we're almost in the middle of July. The time just slipped away from me, and I do plan on bringing a lot more different content to my channel. And if there are any suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. And I know it's my channel, but I just want to make sure that it's interesting enough so you guys can always come on back and enjoy what you see. So definitely leave it in the comment section down below. So with that said, go ahead and hit that subscriber button if you want to join the Time with April family, and don't forget to hit those notifications. Make sure you click those on, and that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. So I don't know where you guys are, but where I am, it is burning up outside, and there's no better time than today to try to make some ice cream, and that's what I tried to do. And if you want to see how it all turned out, then keep watching. Okay, so I have a pack of Oreo cookies, and I'm going to use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to take most of the Oreos. I'm going to save a couple for later on, and I'm just going to put them all in a Ziploc bag. So if you have a food processor, go ahead and use that, but if not, just grab a glass jar like I have right here and begin pounding the cookies into a million pieces. Before I make my whipped cream, I like to keep the bowl and the whisk in the freezer just to make sure that everything is cold. I'm ready to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to turn on my blender. First I'm going to start on low, and then I'm going to finish on high, but I'm just going to continue to blend until my heavy cream turns into stiff peaks. I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla, and I'm just going to finish off with a final blend. Now I'm just going to add my can of sweetened condensed milk, and I'm just going to grab a rubber spatula and I'm going to begin to fold it into the whipped cream. I'm going to go ahead and add my crushed Oreo cookies, and I'm going to continue to fold that into the cream, but make sure you fold so that you don't knock the air out and your cream can stay nice and fluffy. Alright, so now it's time to add the cream mixture to a loaf pan, and take that same rubber spatula and just smooth it out just to make sure that everything is nice and even. I'm going to cover it up with some aluminum foil, and I'm going to let it sit in the freezer between 8 and 24 hours. It's super simple, as easy as 1, 2, 3, you guys. Your ice cream will come out nice and creamy and delicious. And now that the summer is upon us, this would be a great snack to make on those hot summer days. And that's it, super simple and really easy. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Sharing is caring, so share this video with anyone who loves ice cream. And if you give this recipe a try, please comment in the section below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button down below, and make sure you click on those notifications just so you know every time I upload a video. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see on the screen. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.